If you want to get Edge Lighting on Google Pixel 10a, then in that case we need to use a third-party app that allows you to get Edge Lighting on the phone. So what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and you can search for Edge Lighting or Edge Lights or something like that. And you should be able to find many apps that of course allow you to get Edge Lighting. In my case I'm gonna use Movies Edge, which also has AOD, but we can of course not use it if we don't need to. And once the app is installed, of course, we will have to set it up, which is pretty straightforward. So let me quickly show you. By the way, if you don't like this app, or if it doesn't work for you as you think it should, then you can just try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. And I can recommend you to do so to try them out. Now, once we open it, we need to tap on the Draw Over Apps. Wait for the next menu to show up. In here, select Movies Edge, and we need to allow the app to display over other apps. And we're gonna go back. There we go. Now in here we have the Edge lights selected, so now we should be able to choose how these lights should look like. So we can go to lines, for example, over here to choose something different. Some of these options are premium, some of them are free. We can change colors as well. Let's say I'm gonna choose this yellow and red one or orange one. There we go. Can we use them? Oh, they are selected, my bad. So yeah, now we have a different color. We can also tap on this pen icon right next to the apply button, so you can adjust the thickness, the glow. Of course, these settings depend on the option itself. And there we go, we can tap on save. We can tap on also the apply button, I mean, in order to set it up. We can also toggle the music overlay, AOD music and AOD notification if you want to, however, it is not really necessary. And also I can recommend you to go to settings, and in here we have always on display, which we can disable because I assume you don't really want to use that. Unless of course you do, then feel free to do so, since the phone also allows you to have a custom AOD, so feel free to try it out. But since we are focusing on Edge Lighting, I don't want you to have these two AODs colliding with each other. I mean the built-in AOD and the AOD from the app. Over here in Edge Lighting settings we can also find some additional stuff. I guess it's the define screen edges over here. So you should be able to adjust the roundness as well. As you can see, it actually needs a little bit of adjustment. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.